Joe Biden recently announced pardons for federal defendants facing simple marijuana possession charges. Fox 2 Jeff Bernthal talks with Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNairy about that issue and tonight's legal lens.
Well, this news certainly getting a lot of attention, a lot of talk about these federal marijuana charges that the president says will be pardoned. Andrea, can you put into perspective just exactly what it is we're talking about here?
The pardon is really to address what I will call a culture clash over the last half century between really what our culture is and what policing is. And so under President Biden's proclamation, he's going to be pardoning simple possession of marijuana offenses under federal law, or if you were convicted of one under District of Columbia or DC law. It will include anything that involves the simple possession of marijuana crime. It will not include if you were selling or distributing marijuana.
Can you put into perspective the potential significance of what's been announced here?
Sure. I mean, it really is a big deal. It can affect tens of thousands, if not even more people, because we only keep records back to 1992. But we know that if you have one of these on your record, there's the potential that you won't be able to get a job, won't qualify for certain benefits or government benefits, apply to certain colleges. So having these things pardoned can be a significant step for some people.
And I know some people have been raising the question, then what is the difference between a pardon and an expungement?
A pardon is the crime still there, but the government has forgiven you for it. So if someone asks if you still have a criminal record, depending on the state, the answer would probably still be yes. Expungement actually seals that record, removes that criminal conviction from your record, such that you can actually answer then, I have not been convicted of a crime.
How can people learn more if they're eligible for the pardon?
President Biden has set up a special website. People are going to have to apply to actually get a certificate that the proclamation of pardon applies to them. So the website www.justice.gov/pardon will have that information, how to fill out that application when it becomes available, and how to receive that certificate.
Sounds great. We'll put that on our website as well at fox2now.com. Andrea McNairy from Brown and Crouppen, thank you so much for your legal insight. Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.
And you can catch the legal lens every Wednesday right here on Fox 2 News at 6.